And then there's the issue of how much value do people really place on their personal privacy. If you ask Facebook, the price is $20 a month. That's what Facebook was paying for people to install a root certificate on their iPhones that gave Facebook a window into everything that those people were doing on that phone. And by everything, I mean everything. They were able to get access to the content, including the content of the content, not just where those folks were visiting. Facebook was looking to see what apps other people were using and what they were doing on those apps. And if you were taking that $20 a month and you had that root certificate installed on the phone, there was a lot that Facebook could extract from those users, and they were doing it completely willingly just by responding to a display ad that they saw. A lot of the people that participated were kids under the age of 18. Facebook said that they did get permission from the parents. I would wonder whether or not people really knew what they were getting themselves in for when they installed that root certificate. But nonetheless, there were many more adults than children in this program who all agreed to it because, hey, it was $20 a month. Why not? And I think that kind of is spelling the underlying issue here, that people really don't care. At least the majority of people really don't care, so much so that they're willing to turn over everything about their lives to a corporation for only $20 a month. That's pretty scary. And in my Q&A for you this week, I would love for you to go out and poll some of your friends and family who are not maybe into technology as much as you are, and ask them some questions about privacy and how they feel about it, especially as it relates to Facebook and many of these other platforms. And maybe ask them about how they secure themselves online. I have a feeling that a lot of the people you talk to are not concerned about these things. They feel like they've got nothing to hide, and they likely have very bad password security as well. So have at it. Let's see what everyone says, and share your findings down below in the comments.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Chris Allegretta, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Anuj Zaveri, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to Lon.TV/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit Lon.TV/s.